Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another pretty easy DIY. It's actually no-sew. It is how to make this knotted no-slip headband. Knotted headbands are actually pretty easy to make just in general. If they're stretchy or elastic, you can just slip it over your head and put it on. However, those do tend to slip, and also it's just kind of hard to get them right in your hair unless you're just doing it to put your hair back. So I decided to make a no-slip version by actually putting them on hard headbands. I've seen these a lot. I think it's a trend that's you're gonna be seeing this fall and maybe even the winter. So I thought it would be a great DIY, super easy. If you want to know how to make this, then let's get into it.
Alrighty, so to start off, you're going to cut a strip of fabric that is longer than your headband by a couple inches and then 2 inches wide. So first I'm starting off by tying a knot in the middle of the fabric, and I'm not pulling it completely tight because I want to kind of work it and make it look as good as I can. And I'm also tucking in raw edges into the knot. Next, you're going to find the middle of your headband and put a dollop of hot glue and stick the knot right on there. From here, I'm just gluing it down so it's a little more secure. And then we're going to move on to wrapping the rest of the fabric. So right around the knot, I make it a little bit tighter just to give it a little more dimension. And then as we move down the headband, I just kind of glue right at the raw edges, so the headband itself is a little bit wider. And just move on down the rest of that side. And when you reach the end, we're just going to cut off any excess and then fold it up and glue that in place. Next, we're just going to repeat that to the other side. To finish things off, we're going to take a strip of fabric. You can use felt. I used just a strip of t-shirt material. And we're going to glue that to the inside just to hide all the raw edges and just make everything a little bit cleaner. And now you have yourself a new accessory.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you did, I would love if you would give this video a like. And if you want to see more from me in the future, hit that subscribe button. And you can follow me on social media as well. All the links in the description box. I hope you have lots of fun recreating this DIY. And if you have any requests or anything like that, leave a comment below. I would love to know what you would like to see. Well, that's it for today, so I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!